it's Haley, and today I'm going to show you how to do this thing. So first, you're going to want to learn how to do your splits and just go down for 5 seconds. Okay, now you're just going to want to, it's car beeping, you're just going to do stretch and try to do flex and point, okay? Now after you do that, you want to go on the side of your leg like this, and you want to keep it straight and point, and you want to put your hand like this, and then you want to get it by here, and then you're going to want to just like do that, and then you want to lay down more and get your hand to the other side, and then you're done. And thank you guys for watching and subscribe. Bye!